coming to shooting doe, judging the size and stuff, what we found out is about 3 feet, their back, the top of the back is 3 feet. That's about a 90-pound doe, 85, 90-pound doe, somewhere in there. That's at least, that's what we're shooting. And if you don't have cattle panels around or whatever, you know, a good way to judge how big they are is measure 3 feet up your leg on your feeder, and then just mark it with some tape around the leg, so that way you got an idea of what size that doe is. If she's above that 3, then that's a big doe. If she's below that 3, how far below the back, that's roughly what you're looking at right there. So yeah, like I said, just measure. You'll roughly go 3 feet up, about right in there. So that's the back of the doe, is the top of the back. And another good little trick is if you're running panels, the 3-foot panels, if her back is pretty much even with that panel, she's about an 80, 90, about a 90-pound doe is what she'll field dress at. So yeah, just stick some tape right on around the leg. You can see from your blind. And even if you don't run feeders, say some states won't let you or whatever, you know, you want to be anal, and you're on a food plot. You're on a food plot. Stick you a stake out in the ground that's 3 foot tall with some tape on it, or a tree that's right by your food plot. Do the same thing, 3 foot up. That way you'll get an idea. I mean, now doe size might be, you know, it'll probably vary from region to region, but you know what you're shooting. So whatever the big does are, when you shoot it, you see how tall they are, and that's why you measure something. That way you got a quick look at seeing what, especially if you got one doe by herself that you have nothing to compare to. So here you go. That's a quick tip. 3 foot tall on the back. That's about a 90-pound doe. Thanks for watching.